Good morning, everyone. My tent was right there. Trying to be quiet because there's still someone over there sleeping. It's early, but I gotta make it to Pigeon River, which ain't before I'm from, because Julia's gonna pick me up. Check my food supply. I just can't go on because it's another 30 miles till I get to Hot Springs, North Carolina. So Tennessee, the Appalachian Trail's going to be jumping between Tennessee and North Carolina, I guess. That's what it looks like. I slept good last night. My mattress is leaking there. I'll try to figure that out. Not if I go to trail days, have Big Ag and see if they can fix it. Because they should be there. Yeah, she messaged this morning and said first shuttle 8, leaving there 8. She should be there by 8:30. So if I have to wait, that's fine. Okay, let me get up here and get down here. I'll be right back. Okay, just crossed that. I live on the creek. Got pumped forward to Pigeon River Bridge, where she's going to pick me up at. Looks like I'm going to be crossing the creek again. Okay. Well, at least I didn't fall in. You only got like one dinner left, 2 lunches, and 2 breakfasts. So definitely gotta get some food. Because at least, if I do 10 miles a day, I at least need three meals, but I would like to take at least 4. Be on the safe side. This right here is easy to walk. I'll be there at that bridge in no time. Oh, the waterfall. Okay, I'm going to jump off here so I can get down here on time. See y'all in a minute. Hey guys, look at this. The cascading waterfall. It goes down. Wait. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna jump off here. Okay, guys, message Julia, and this is where I had to stand and wait. Came out from right over there. I did walk across the bridge, but I'm like, wait, let me make sure this is where she's picking me up at. So I messaged her, and she said to come here and wait. So got my stuff sitting there. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm here early. That's the quickest port for I've ever done. Slept good last night, listening to the little river creek run. I guess a little creek that runs into the river. But yeah, she says she tries not to go over there in that parking lot because of rafting and the construction they're doing. Be good to get my clothes washed and get a good cheeseburger, drink. Get me a Dr. Pepper. But I crossed that bridge in the morning, so. Get so I can get like 4 days resupply. So I have a 4-day resupply to get me to Hot Springs, North Carolina. They actually have a hot spring there that you can get in. I don't know if it's, I have to check into it. I don't know if you have to pay or what, but I was told definitely go to it. So we'll see. Be nice on the old bones. Okay, I'm gonna jump off here. When I get to the hostel, I'll show you more about it. See y'all in a minute. Hello everyone. Okay, I'm here at Hiker's Rest. Got my bed. She's still gonna come here and make that one up. Took a shower. And let's see. She's got a nice little setup here. There's 4 beds. I took the one down here. She's going to run us to Walmart. So, hang on, let me get outside and I'll start filming again. Her pit. There's tent spots. She has a pit. Shower. Toilet. Porta potties. And we have where I'm staying. Showed y'all earlier. It's a really nice spot. Julia goes out of her way to help you. So I do recommend this spot. She took us to Walmart. Took the other hikers to get to different stores to get what they needed. Yeah, so this place, my stamp of approval. It looks like I'll be the only one in the bunkhouse so far. Maybe. Okay, coming in here to go over my resupply. So see y'all later.
Thank you. So nice of you.
He's gonna scare it off.
You're a fat one, aren't you?